Hello, I'm David McNally, President, CEO, and Chairman of Titan Medical, and I'm pleased to provide this update on our third quarter 2020 results. The third quarter has been a very active period for our growing team at Titan Medical. On July 30th, we announced the completion of certain design enhancements associated with the instruments for our single-access robotic system, which we expect are going to improve the agility, strength, durability, and ease of operation of the instruments, yet while reducing manufacturing costs. On August 1st, we presented at the plenary session of the Society of Robotic Surgery's 2020 World Robotic Symposium. On September 8th, we announced the retirement of our Chief Financial Officer, Stephen Randall, and the appointment of his successor, Monique Delorme, effective October 1st, 2020. We're thrilled that Monique has taken the role as our Chief Financial Officer, and she's already hit the ground running. On September 14th, we presented at the H.C. Wainwright Investor Conference. H.C. Wainwright has been instrumental in raising equity capital totaling more than $20 million this year. September 17th, we announced the expansion of our intellectual property portfolio with the addition of new patents related to our camera control technology. Our patent portfolio at September 17th had grown to 58 issued patents and 84 applications pending. On September 21st, we announced our new Enos system brand identity for our single-access robotic surgical system. We also unveiled new branding for Titan Medical. Also in September, a surveillance audit of our quality system was successfully completed by our notified body, TÜV SÜD. On October 7th, we announced the election of 3 new independent directors to our board of directors. Paul Cataford, Anthony Giovinazzo, and Carrie Vance were all voted onto the board of directors and approved by our shareholders at the annual and special general meeting held on September 30th, 2020. On October 23rd, we announced our new investor relations communications channel, Investors, at titanmedicalinc.com. We are now continuing to launch our branding with the rollout of our new website occurring simultaneously with this third quarter release. On October 26, we were thrilled to announce the successful completion on schedule of the first milestone associated with the Medtronic development and license agreements. This involved an intensive 4-month effort by Titan Medical personnel and our subcontractors to deliver on this milestone. Pursuant to our agreements, Titan will receive a $10 million payment associated with the accomplishment of this milestone. Turning our attention to the fourth quarter, with our new board of directors fully engaged, our staffing in place at Titan Medical USA in Chapel Hill, North Carolina, and capital on hand to execute, we're focused on continuing the development of our Enos single-access robotic surgical system, execution toward the next milestone under the Medtronic development and license agreements, and clarification of the regulatory pathway for U.S. regulatory clearance with the Food and Drug Administration. In closing, I reaffirm our commitment to continuous improvement in investor communications. We look forward to keeping you apprised of our progress, and thank you for your support.